FBLA, that's Future Business Leaders of America, class over at Westlake High School in Atlanta, Georgia. I appreciate you guys having me come out for my very first official public speaking engagement. I just want to say thank you guys for having me come out. I had an amazing, amazing, amazing time. I really had an amazing time. They made me feel welcome. And again, shout out Ms. Lily Carter for giving me my first opportunity. I appreciate it. I will never forget it. So anytime Westlake High School needs me to come through to motivate, I also gave them 2 things that they absolutely must do in order to be successful. You got to get with them to figure out what that is. I'm not giving it away. Really appreciate you guys having me come out and talk to you guys, get you fired up about having your own and owning your own business and being successful in life. Foremost, Miss Lily Carter, thank you, ma'am, for having me come out. I really appreciate it. Kennedy, thank you with them awesome dreads. Jada, what's happening? Appreciate you and appreciate you two being in my little demonstration. Shouts out to Greg, man, aka QUA Way Fitness. I see you up there getting your lift on, bro. It's all good. Narquise, Kai City _954. Jedi Jordy, what's happening? Jedi, so that means you watch Star Wars. I'm cool with the nerds. Saint Alicia, what's happening? Appreciate you. And _Rican guy. Appreciate you guys and everybody who was there. Thank you for having me come out. I really appreciate it. You guys gave me a warm reception. It was fun. We had fun. We laughed. We joked. Old girl was back there crying. So I was like, oh my God, he is so motivating. So everything was cool. I appreciate you. It's your man KP. Appreciate you.